Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to find the inverse of this matrix. So to find the inverse of this matrix, just like we did in the 2 by 2 matrix, we augment it to the right with unit matrix and do the operation such that we will transfer the unit operation, the unit vectors or the unit matrix to the left to get it in this form. So this is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3. So we have labeled them arrow 1, arrow 2, arrow 3. So what we now do is to 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 0. Sorry. So we now put our 3 by 3 unit matrix. So we start the operations. So if we multiply, this is row 2 plus 2 row 1, row 2 plus 2 row 1, let us write row 1 first. Row 1 is 1, 2 minus 1 and 1, 0, 0. So row 2 plus 2 row 1 is, this one is 2 plus this 0. 2 row 1, 4 plus this 4. This one is 2 row 1 is minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. So also you have 2, 1, 0. That is 2 times this 2 plus this 2. 2 times this 0 plus this 1. 2 times this 0 plus this 0. So also we can do, since our row 1 is constant, we can do row 3 minus row 1. Row 1 is constant, okay? So it will give us row 3 is this one minus row 1, we have 0 here. This minus this, we have minus 3. This minus this, we have plus 1. This minus this, we have minus 1. This minus this, we have 0. This minus this, we have 1. So we have done this operation. So we have gotten, so what we need now is to make this 0, 0, 0, 0 and this one 1, 1, 1. So we can do another one. Let's say we're keeping arrow 2. This is now arrow 2. Row 2 plus row 3. Let's bring it down. Row 2 plus row 3. So row 3 is constant. So we can now write row 3 as 0 minus 3, 1. Minus 1, 0, 1. So on the second row, we are doing row 2 plus row 3, we have 0. Row 2 plus row 3, we have 1. Row 2 plus row 3, we have 0. Then row 2 plus row 3, we have 1. Row 2 plus row 3, 1. Row 2 plus row 3, 1. Also, since our arrow 3 is constant, arrow 3 is constant, we can do here also arrow 1 plus arrow 3 to eliminate some things. Arrow 1 plus arrow 3, this one will give us 1. This and this will give us minus 1. This and this will give us 0. This and this will give us 0. This and this will give us 0. This and this will give us 1. So we have done those two operations in 1. We have done two operations here in 1. Okay. We can also, so what remains is to make this one 0 and make this one 0. Then we'll be home and dry. So in order to do that, we can say R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 will give us R1 plus R2 1. This plus this 0. This plus this 0. This plus this 1. Abi? This plus this 1. This plus this 2. Okay. We can also do 3 R2 plus R3. 3 R2. We want to eliminate this one. So 3 R2. Remember, 2 is constant. We are not going to do anything in 2. So we write it down. Anyone that is constant, you write it down. So if we do that, 3 R2 is 0 plus 0. 0 is still there. This one will be 3 times 3. 3 times 1, 3 plus this 0. 3 times 0. 0 plus this 1. So we do the same thing here. 3 times 1, 3 plus this 2. 3 times this 3 plus 0, 3. 3 times this 3 plus this 4. So here now is our unit matrix. We have transformed it, and here now will be our AI. That means that our answer is that A inverse is equal to 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our inverse. Of course, since we have a little time, you can prove to see that it is equal. If you multiply this with the A, if you multiply this with A, you are supposed to get unit matrix. So let's do the first. Let's do it fast. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 times the given 1, 2 minus 1 minus 2, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So you see, this times is 1. This times is minus 2. This times is 2 plus 2. So that's 1. This times is 2. This times is 0. This times is minus 2. That's 0. This times is minus 1. This times is plus 1. This times is 0. That's 0. So, okay, let's do for the one in the middle. This times is 2. This times is 0. This times is minus 1. So you see that this one is minus 1. So everything in this place will be minus 1. And everything here will be zeros. 0. This one is 0. 0. 1. 1. This one will be 1. So this times this minus 2. This times is plus 3. This times is 0. So you see that this minus 1 is 1. So 1, 1, 1. Every other thing is 0. So the answer is correct. Click on the notification button for more videos. Bye.